السلام عليكم، كيف حالكم يا أطفال؟ اليوم يوم السبت، يوم نتعلم اللغة العربية. Hi kids, how are you doing? This is Saturday, happy Saturday. We're gonna learn Arabic, we're gonna continue our alphabet in Arabic. Let's start it. بسم الله على بركة الله. سنبدأ درسا جديدا. ماذا عندي هنا؟ What's this? This is a well. It's on the water, like splashing water here, but I colored this and I colored the water with the blue, right? ما اسمها؟ حوت. 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 What do you hear at the beginning? حرف الحاء. ح. Not a ha, not like a horse. Ha. From your throat down, like the middle of your throat. Ha. حوت. Repeat after me. حوت. Today's alphabet is حاء. حرف الحاء. And ما هذا؟ ما هذه؟ What's this? تفاحة. Did you hear? ح. تفاحة. تفاحة. Always eat like some apples, they're good for your health. تفاحة. عندنا حرف الحاء أين؟ في الوسط, in the middle. تفاحة. حسن جدا. Which color is this? What do you think? It's red, obviously, but in Arabic, أحمر. Did you hear? أحمر. حاء. حرف الحاء. أحمر. ونقول تفاحة حمراء. تفاحة حمراء. Start with ح. حمراء. Now let's discover how we write حرف الحاء. It's easy because we already learned حرف الجيم. It's same as جيم. What's the difference? This is حرف الحاء. Hi, I'm here. حرف الحاء. This is حرف الحاء. What's the difference? No dots. حاء doesn't have any dot. حرف الحاء doesn't have any dot. Let's do it with this. You can have like balls, you can have like piece of paper, anything, or your Legos, and you can just trace like this. Let's do it like that. Then we say like half circle here. This way here. This is حرف الحاء. Let's put another one here so to be. What do you think? Yes, حرف الحاء. حرف الحاء. Yeah, now we learned many ways that we can trace الحروف العربية, even in English. We're gonna do different ways all the time so we cannot get bored. I don't like boring time. We need to do new things, right? Everyone likes new things. So this is حرف الحاء. If I put this on the top, what is ما هذه؟ فتحة. ماذا نقول؟ ح. نفتح فمنا. الفتحة on the top, في الفوق. نقول ح. إذا وضعت الضمة والضمة ح والضمة نقول see the mouth حو. حسن جدا. إذا وضعت الكسرة ماذا أقول؟ كسرة في الأسفل حي. The mouth is down. حي. حسن جدا. Let's clean up. Put everything on their place. I'm gonna get this here, then we're gonna get our notebook, all right? I have my notebook. I need to review, right? So last lesson is حرف الجيم. If you didn't see it, just go back to my channel, Leila Espas, and go to playlists, and you're gonna find Arabic, and you're gonna find all the Arabic alphabets that we already learned. Every time, go back to learn, right? And if you're new here, just subscribe and hit the bell so to get notified for the new lessons. So we have حرف الجيم, we have حرف الثاء. I'm gonna go back, right? And حرف التاء and حرف الباء, first one. Now we're gonna do حرف الحاء. I skip one page because I write with markers that make like trace here. So حرف الحاء, just give me a second. I'm gonna put this here as usual. Our picture, حوت. Don't go, stay with me until the end to see the long vowel. And now we're gonna have the glue to have حرف الحاء. So I'm gonna put the glue here to stick it in here. So this is حرف الحاء. حرف الحاء ليس لديه نقطة. حرف الحاء. والآن سنكتب حرف الحاء. I'm gonna just write it down. So in the beginning, it doesn't have this, the half circle. It's just like this. I'm gonna see, follow me. Maybe I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. There, ha, like this, and underline. Ha. This is the beginning, okay? مع الفتحة ح, مع ضمة ح, مع الكسرة حي. الآن مع المدود with the long vowel. See, underline like this. مد بالألف with ألف long vowel ألف حا. ضمة يكون معها الواو حو. حي كسرة مع الياء حي. And now what's this? حوت. What do you hear? ح, حو. So we're gonna say حو. حو. It's round. What's we're gonna do? فتحة? No, you're smart. ضمة. حسن جدا. It is حوت. No, حوت. It's a long vowel. حو. We need a long vowel. We need الواو. نحتاج إلى الواو. حوت. حوت. And t. Do you remember t? Which letter? T. Yes, you got it. حسن جدا. حرف التاء. حرف التاء نقطتان. حوت. When you say n, it's ضمتان. حوت. حسن جدا. Let's read it again one more time and we're gonna finish. حرف الحاء without any ضمة. ويني نقطة, sorry. حاء, حرف الحاء. حاء في الأول كلمة. ح أعيد بعدي. ح، حي، حا، حو، حي. حسن جدا. وقلنا الح والضمة حو، والواو حو. ت، تن، حو، تن، حو، تن. حسن جدا. And now we finish our lesson. Hopefully that you learned something new, and I hope that you review all the previous letters, and until next Saturday inshallah with another alphabet. مع السلامة، إلى اللقاء في السبت المقبل إن شاء الله مع حرف جديد. مع السلامة.